Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about a very simple habit. This habit is easy, free, and very powerful. It is drinking a glass of water in the morning. Many people wake up and check their phone first. Some people drink coffee right away, but very few people drink water first. In this podcast, we will explain why water in the morning is so important. We will use simple English. We will speak slowly. So this podcast is good for beginners. You can listen, relax, and learn at the same time. Our body needs water every day, but after sleeping for many hours, our body is dry. We do not drink water while sleeping. That is why morning water is very important. Drinking water in the morning helps your body wake up. It helps your brain work better. It helps your stomach start working again. In the next parts, my partner will explain more benefits. Please stay with us and enjoy the conversation.
Thank you. Yes, drinking water in the morning is a great habit. When you wake up, your body feels tired. Your mouth feels dry. This is a sign that your body needs water. One glass of water can help clean your body inside. It helps remove waste from your system. It supports your kidneys and liver. This small habit can help your health in the long term. And the best thing is, it is very easy to do. Another advantage is better digestion. When you drink water in the morning, your stomach wakes up. It prepares your body to eat breakfast. People who drink water in the morning often feel lighter. They feel more comfortable during the day. They also have fewer stomach problems. Now, Speaker 1 will continue with more advantages.
Let's talk about energy. Many people feel tired in the morning. They think they need coffee first, but sometimes they just need water. Water helps carry oxygen to your body. This gives you natural energy. You may feel more awake and fresh. Drinking water is a healthy way to start your day. It does not have sugar or calories. It is good for everyone. Water also helps your brain. When you are dehydrated, it is hard to think clearly. You may feel slow or confused. A glass of water can improve focus. It can help students study better. It can help workers concentrate better. Now let's hear more from Speaker 2.
Water is also good for your skin. If you drink water every morning, your skin can look better. It can look fresh and clean. Water helps remove toxins from the body. This can reduce acne and dry skin. It is a natural beauty habit. You do not need expensive products. Just drink water every morning. Another benefit is weight control. Drinking water before breakfast can help you feel full. This means you may eat less food. It helps control hunger. It supports healthy eating habits. This is very helpful for people who want to stay fit. Speaker 1 will continue next.
Water also helps your immune system. It helps your body fight sickness. When your body is hydrated, it works better. People who drink enough water often get sick less. They recover faster when they are sick. Morning water is a good start. Drinking water in the morning also helps build discipline. It is a small habit, but it creates a routine. Good routines lead to better lives. When you start your day with a good habit, you are more likely to make good choices later.
Some people ask, how much water should I drink? One glass is enough to start. About 250 to 300 milliliters is good. You do not need to drink too much. Just be consistent every day. You can drink warm water or normal water. Warm water is gentle on the stomach. Cold water is also okay if you like it. The most important thing is to drink it after waking up.
Some people like to add lemon to their water.
This is optional. Lemon can add flavor and vitamin C, but plain water is already very healthy. You do not need anything special. Make it easy for yourself. Put a glass of water near your bed. When you wake up, drink it first. This makes the habit simple and easy.
Many successful people have this habit. They drink water before doing anything else. It helps them start the day well. This habit costs nothing, but it gives many benefits. Parents can teach this habit to children. It helps kids grow healthy. It helps them learn good routines early.
Let's talk about mood. Dehydration can make you feel angry or sad. Water helps balance your mood. A calm morning leads to a better day. Water helps create that calm feeling.
Athletes also drink water in the morning. It prepares their muscles for movement. It prevents cramps and injuries. Even if you do not exercise, water helps your body move better every day.
Let's talk about habits again. Drinking water in the morning is a keystone habit. This means one good habit can create many good habits. When you drink water first, you may choose a healthier breakfast. You may feel more motivated during the day. This habit also teaches self-care. It tells your body, I care about you. Small actions like this build self-respect. Every morning is a new start. Water helps you begin fresh.
Many people feel headaches in the morning. One reason can be dehydration. Drinking water can reduce morning headaches. Before taking medicine, try drinking water first. Sometimes that is all your body needs. Water also helps your blood circulation. Good circulation means better health. Your heart does not need to work too hard. This is very helpful for long-term wellness.
Let's talk about stress. When your body is dry, stress can feel stronger. Water helps your nervous system stay calm. A calm body helps create a calm mind. When you wake up late or feel rushed, drinking water can slow you down for a moment. It gives you time to breathe and reset. This small pause is very powerful.
Some people ask, can I drink tea or coffee instead? Those drinks are fine later, but first drink water. Water prepares your body for everything else. Coffee can make your body lose water, so drinking water first is very smart. It protects your body balance.
Water also helps your joints. It keeps them soft and flexible. This is important as we get older. Morning water helps your body move smoothly. If you sit a lot during the day, water helps your muscles feel better. It reduces stiffness and discomfort.
Let's talk about breathing. Water helps your lungs work better. It keeps the airways moist. This can help people who feel short of breath. Water also helps people who talk a lot. Teachers, speakers, and students need hydration. Morning water protects your voice.
Some people want better sleep at night. Morning habits affect night sleep. Drinking water early helps regulate your body clock. When your body works well during the day, you rest better at night. It all starts in the morning.
Let's talk about simplicity. This habit is easy for rich and poor people. Everyone has access to water. Good health does not always need money. This habit is also safe. There are no side effects. Just listen to your body and drink slowly.
If you forget sometimes, that is okay. Do not feel guilty. Just try again the next day. Habits take time to build. You can also remind yourself with a note. Write, drink water near your bed. Soon, it will become natural.
Let's think about long-term health. Small habits repeated daily create big results. Morning water is one of them. After many months, you may feel more energetic. You may feel healthier and happier.
This habit is good for all ages. Children, adults, and older people can do it. Everyone benefits. It is also easy to teach others. You can share this habit with family and friends.
Let's do a simple summary. Morning water helps your body, brain, and mood. It supports digestion, skin, and energy. It is one of the easiest healthy habits. No tools, no cost, no stress.
Before we finish, we want to encourage you. Try this habit tomorrow morning. Just 1 glass, just 1 minute. That is all it takes to start.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope you learned something useful today. Remember, health starts with small choices. Water is one of the best choices you can make.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Start your day with water. Start your day with care. See you in the next episode.